And now your weather with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
Highs were once again in the lower 70s to kick off the work week, but it is not going to continue after today. We did add, though, another day of 70s, and that brings the total so far this month of 9 days. That's from 70 degrees or greater across the Fox Valley. The record was 15 days back in 1947. But look where that cold weather is. It's not too far away from us, and we'll be dropping down into the 50s by tomorrow afternoon. So if you weren't able to get outside this afternoon, hopefully maybe we might have some warmer weather later on. And it does show that. The 6 to 10 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center has well above average temperatures returning here by the end of the month. And we do have some mid-60s, low and mid-60s returning as we get into the end of that 70 forecast. But I don't think we're going to have widespread 70s like what we saw in the last 4 days. We started off with some rain showers this morning and then broke into a mixture of sun and cloud cover during the afternoon hours. We've been in a bit of a lull before more rain will head in here as we get into tonight. We've got a cold front right now extending from Canada all the way down south. And this band of rain is pretty widespread from Dallas all the way up towards Minneapolis. That's a large distance where it's all being transported from the Gulf of Mexico. This band, while it seems deceiving, will actually break down a little bit by the time it reaches into northeast Wisconsin. And this system is even sparking the risk of severe weather over the southern plains. I mean, even Texas right now, a slight risk for severe storms later this afternoon and evening. Across the Badger State, including all of northeast Wisconsin, we could have a couple claps of thunder, but probably not going to be dealing with those thunderstorms like what we saw last night as a warm front boundary lifted northward. So here we are at 9:15. Rain showers starting to build in from the west, but as it moves across the Fox Valley, it does start to fall apart in coverage and intensity. A few light rain showers as we wake up on Tuesday morning and continue into late Tuesday morning and the afternoon. It does appear as we get into Tuesday and early Wednesday morning, areas along and east of the Fox Valley will be dealing with on and off rain showers. But if you're west of that, probably not going to be dealing with much rain whatsoever. Here we are at 3:45 in the morning hours Wednesday, 8 o'clock, most of the rain moving out, and we break out into some sunshine for the second half of the day. The highest rainfall totals will be along and east of Highway 41, about a ½ inch to an inch of rain expected from the system. West of that, about a quarter of an inch to near a ½ inch of rain, where lesser areas will be seeing that. We've been picking up about 1.15 inches so far for the month of October. We do pick up around 2 inches of rain. That's what the normal value is. So we're running about 9/10 of an inch below normal, and we'll take the rainfall because we do need it. We're under abnormally dry conditions and moderate drought conditions across the northern half of the viewing area, so the rain is very welcome tonight. Cooling off to 52 southwest winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow we'll get up to 56. Northwest winds at 5 to 10. Additional rain showers are expected, especially along and east of Highway 41. Then comes the 50s, and they continue through the rest of the work week. High 52 on Thursday. On Showdown, mostly sunny 54. But look at this. We're getting back up into the low 60s when our normal highs should be in the lower 50s.